Here at Costco to get one thing in preparation for next week's -13 weather. Costco, please don't let me down. Is this a good stick? Sherwood M Prime PP26 F85. I'm a right-handed person, and this just so happens to be the last right-handed stick. I think that's a sign that I should get this. Put it down, Steven. You don't need it. Okay, got the hockey stick. I have a pair of skates. Now I just need some gloves. I think some tape, a puck, and that's it. No hockey gloves. I think I'm just gonna have to make do with what I have, I guess. Think I can play hockey with this? Floyd, where you at? What's your record? 50-0? 51-0? Make it 51-1. Oh my god. I'm so funny. That's all I need. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep. Oh my god. Ah. Just a mess. Seriously?
Sorry, man.
Houston, we have a problem. No, not that problem. Yes, I know we have more snow today, but that's not what I'm saying. What'd you say to me? All right, listen up. Here's the thing. I gotta start planning for the worst. This behind me right here, this is called Trout Lake. I bought all this hockey stuff hoping to skate and play hockey on the frozen lake next week. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen because it's not gonna get cold enough. So honestly, this is just poor planning on my side. Apparently this lake freezes up only once every decade. So skating on this lake next week seems very unlikely. I mean, look here, thin ice, keep off. There is absolutely no way I can skate on this. Here, look, test for yourself. Oh yeah. Definitely cannot skate on this. So starting Monday, temperatures are going to drop to -10, and similar, same thing for Tuesday. But to have this freeze up and to skate on it, temperatures have to be -10 for like 2 to 3 weeks straight. And we're only getting it for 2 days. Last time this happened, it was 3 years ago, I think. And it was the first time this happened in 30 years, apparently. I mean, it would have been fun to skate on this, but I'm just going to have to find a solution to my problem. Oh my god. Thank God for these groups. Looks like a swamp. Just imagine a crocodile popping its head out of here. Oh man, I would get killed. Aren't you guys cold? So at this point, it looks like I have to find a solution to my problem because I can't just make this video and not finish it. So at this point, I think I'm just gonna have to check on the condition of the lake over the next few days, see if it's frozen or not. But as of now, it doesn't look like I can play ice hockey on a frozen pond. Such a shame. Drive safe out there. What is that? 5 to 7 centimeters? Fresh sheet of snow here. That's ankle deep. First snowball of 2020. Look how perfectly round that is. All right, where's that kid that threw that snowball at me while I was driving? I gotta teach that boy some manners. I mean, I got no belt on, but this should do. Kid, fuck you. One more because I apparently have anger issues. Motherfucker. And one more just because the Canucks didn't win the Stanley Cup in 2011. That was what I wanted to do earlier today. All right, I didn't want to do it. I just got to do it. Ow, that was not deep enough. Ah, my back. I'm an old man. Okay, I think I found the solution to my problem. I wanted this to be the ultimate Canadian winter experience video where I play ice hockey on a frozen pond. Unfortunately, I don't have access to a frozen pond. Lacing up my skates, about to play ice hockey in an indoor rink. It's gonna be my first time playing ice hockey. Skating is very bad, but the trick is that you can tell yourself that you can skate and play up here, and then you can actually do it. So I'm gonna put that to the test, and you're gonna witness. Time to tape this up. Do you start from the bottom up? How would you rate this tape job? Not bad, eh? Oh, and I also got the gloves. Let's go. I don't have a helmet. Hopefully these guys won't give me a hard time. I mean, I kind of wanted this whole rink to myself, but what can you do? Okay, I'm done being extra. I always wanted to do that. Look arrogant like Ryan Kesler. His playing style, I mean. We are only given from 11:45 to 1:15 p.m. It's 12:41. We got to get off in 30 minutes, so let's get some shots. Also, this is an F85 stick. I'm 135-ish pounds. Apparently, I'm supposed to be using a stick with a flex of 55 or 60. First slap shot. Top shelf. Blocker side. Glove side. 5-hole. How do you stop? Hey. Ready? Oh, sure. Yeah. Wait 1 sec. Manny Malhotra, you watching? Let's go. Let's try that again. That first try just didn't feel natural to the body. Huge props to the NHL players. Alright, like I said, go as long as you can go. Bend the knees. It hurts. It doesn't feel like a natural body movement. First time playing ice hockey, not bad. Told myself that I could play up here, but I think that only works to a certain extent. It didn't translate that well. My ankles, they don't feel secure. And yeah, all this hockey movement, the hockey stride, face-offs, I don't know, it doesn't feel natural it doesn't feel like a natural body movement. So huge props to anyone who can do it, especially to the NHL players. So no more shit talking them. All right, I think it's time to get out of here. Okay, so thus concludes this winter video. Here's an update on Trout Lake. Temperature is -4, not -13 like they said. And the lake is not completely frozen yet. I mean, here's another test. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, wow. Yep, definitely cannot skate on this. As soon as I heard this, I was about to hop on. Even if I hopped on and fell into the lake, I think I would be prepared. The key would be to stay relaxed and try to control the heart rate, because if you panic, then it's just gonna make your situation worse. I know this because I watched a YouTube video on it. So here's another test. You think it's okay, and then bam. So like I said in the video, I had to find a solution to my problem because this wasn't how I wanted the video to turn out. I wanted to capture that all-Canadian winter experience where it snows and I get to play ice hockey on a frozen pond. But that didn't happen, so I hope this video turns out okay. Welcome to Canada. Complete whiteout.
Melancholy, there's a plastic tree.